Let's quickly run through setting the time on a G Shock GD-X6900TC. To enter time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our adjust button. We'll hear the watch beep. Now our seconds will start flashing. We can zero this with our start stop button. To enter the next setting, we're going to press mode. This will allow us to choose daylight savings off or on. Mode again will allow us to choose our UTC time zone. So this is our home time zone. If you're not sure of yours, you can find this with a Google search. We can adjust this with our forward and reverse button. Mode for our next setting will allow us to set our hour. We can go forward and reverse with this as well. Mode again will allow us to set our minute. Mode again will allow us to set our year. Mode again will allow us to set our month. Mode once more will allow us to set our day. And finally, mode will bring us to this LT. This is our flash alert. If it shows these dashes here, it's off. And if it shows sync, it's on. Once we're done with all that, we can simply press adjust once more. And now our watch will be set. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.